Yo, what's up, my goobers? Today I'm going to be doing a cooking video. Today I'm going to be cooking ramen, but it's my special style. Well, yeah. I totally forgot to get the ingredients before, so be right back. Alright, I'm back. So there's only going to be a few needed ingredients. I'm going to be using Machan ramen, steak flavor, because I only have one left for my chicken. Soy sauce, just using Walmart brand, so okay, like that. Then some seasoning, which I have a couple of my own personally made ones. Don't remember how I made them though. Anyways, also got this Momofuku seasoning, savory. Definitely recommend it. You should go and get it. And then you're gonna need some hot water. So I'm gonna go do that real quick. I'm gonna go fill this up with hot water real quick. Alright, and I'm back. Alright, let's see. Water is all filled up. You're gonna have to light that in a second, but real quick, just want to show you. This is a drink that I've been drinking a lot. Yeah, Clear American. I'm trying a brand flavor I haven't tried yet. But anyways, so I've got to find a place. Set this. Let me just put you guys right there, goobers. Alright, so this is what I do. First, instead of alright, got I said, for mine at least, I have low, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and high. I normally put it on 3. It's a pretty powerful thing. I let it sit for a tiny bit. While I'm letting it sit, I open this. I'm not going to put in the noodles quite yet, because I do something that I used to not do, but randomly just came upon doing it. So open the noodle. And you pull out this to be flavored. You open it, dump it in. I'm gonna go grab chopsticks real quick. You guys watching it well? Alright, I'm back. Got chopsticks. Mix it up. You can use anything, I just like to use chopsticks. Then, put in your seasonings. It's like basically what you're doing is, anyways. Alright, what you're doing is you're basically making your own special broth to put your noodles in to cook in. Depends on the flavor of the one you're doing. So, like that. There. Alright, now mix that in. And after every ingredient mix. One thing. Alright. Now, when you think the water is pretty well, which would probably be at this state, drop in your noodles. And I push them down in the water just to make it go a bit quicker. And mix them around as well. Then after Then after a little bit, I will flip it. But yeah. Gonna try it out. Yeah, it's good. Ooh, yeah, I can taste the apple. Yeah, that's good. Definitely recommend it. But my favorite flavor out of all of those, orange cream. Definitely try that one out. It's delicious. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Not like when it gets to where like you can pretty easily poke into it, flip it. Alright, yeah. Yeah, you've got to wait till it's all the way through melted. Not melted. Soft. Sorry, do stuff like that. I say random things I don't mean. Yeah, you're gonna get that a lot. And also random extra advertiser. I have no sponsors. Because yeah, this is mine. Other than my intro, my first video. But yeah. It's probably good for you. Has 0 sugar, 0 calories, 0 caffeine, and 0 sodium. Or also known as salt. But yeah, anyways, real quick, gonna grab out my bowl. Right here. Alrighty. Now I've got my bowl out using a one-piece one. As you can tell by my shirt and my bowl, I'm a One Piece fan. Favorite anime. Definitely recommend it. Ooh, yeah, it's getting soft. But yeah, you've got to let this get all the way soft. Like it with, you can with these, like tear it apart while it's in here. You've got to be able to like tear it apart and like tear it in cute. Yeah, you've got to be able to do some stuff like this. Alright, well, that's done. Then your ramen's done. What you've got to do then, I'm going to be right back, but yeah. Gosh, you just got to put it into whatever dish you're using, and then bon appetit. And by the way, I don't always do this, but yeah, I actually don't do this a lot. I've just been doing it recently. I normally don't have it with the broth, but yeah, you can have it if you want. Yeah, that's all. Gonna plate it real quick, and get some broth in, and yeah, see you then. Real quick, one thing forgot to say: when you're done cooking it, turn it off. But yeah, anyways, I'll plate. Oh crap! Be back. Alright, let's see. Now I've got all of that solved. Now, what I like to do for this is add a bit of extra soy sauce. And yeah, other seasonings. You don't have to do it. It's just for all of you who love seasoning out there like me, where they're obsessed with it. Put on pretty much anything. I recommend this. Just gives it some extra flavor. But yeah. Alright, bon appetit.